respect or not. So first of all, let us understand what respect is. From the earlier times, our parents have taught that you need to obey to what we are saying, you need to obey to your teachers, you don't need to question what we are saying. So I am on literal terms, I'm not able to define what respect is, but it's just that the relationship between two individuals which is not related to the authority or the power that the other person is enjoying. It's just a mutual relation just on the basis of which is permanent, which is not linked to such a shallow term that is money. Nowadays, it's extremely common that you get respect because of the power you enjoy, and nowadays power comes from money. So the respect in which the parameters in which people generally give respect to other person is mostly because of the money they have, the powers they enjoy, and the benefit that the other person can serve them. So that is why I feel in many sectors respect is generally given just because of the money the other person is having. But those respect are just temporary, and they just fade, they will fade away once the other person comes out of power, and when the other person is not helpful or is not satisfying the need I expected from that person. But when the respect comes from within, and it is not just limited to, and it does not has any expectation from the other
Does
person.
not have.
Does not have any expectation from other. It's just for our own internal satisfaction, on our own ethical grounds, that we offer respect to other person to make him feel that yes, he has done something good and we appreciate you for that. So those kind of respect actually sustain for a longer time, and that is actually respect. But nowadays the meanings have turned shallow, and they are not just the actual respect that we have. So at the end, towards the end, I would like to conclude that yes, money is important. Like Manisha Di said, it helps you fulfill your dreams. It helps you survive in this world, but it should not overpower you. It should not be. It should not come at your ego that you don't look people. You don't treat the people the right way just because they do not earn well, or they are not. They do not offer any kind of help to you. So respect should be given to the deserving individual despite of the money they have, and hence respect is much more important than money. And as per the old saying that when you lose your wealth there is nothing lost, but when you lose your health something is lost, but when you lose your character everything is lost. And losing character is, I feel, associated with respect. So that is why respect should be over anything, and it should not be overpowered by something as superficial as money. Thank you.
Oh, well done, well done. Clap करते जाओ भाई.